How do I fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails? Have you ever sent an email only to find out that the recipient never got it? This can be really frustrating, especially if it's happening with your Yahoo Mail. Let's figure out what might be going on and how to fix it. First, check if the emails are actually being sent from your end. Sometimes, emails can get stuck in the draft folder or never leave your outbox. Make sure to look in your sent folder to confirm that the emails were sent. Next, it's possible that the emails are being filtered into the spam or junk folders of the recipient's email account. Ask the recipients to check these folders to see if your emails are ending up there. Another common issue is that the recipient's email system might not be accepting connection requests from your email system. If you get an error message saying that the recipient's email system didn't respond, you might need to contact the recipient and ask them to inform their email admin about this issue. The email admin may need to adjust their settings to accept emails from your system. If the problem persists, it could be due to spam filters. Ask the recipients to add your email address to their safe sender or whitelist. This tells their email system that your emails are not spam and should be delivered to their inbox. If none of these steps work, you might want to try using a different email service to send emails to Yahoo recipients. Sometimes using Gmail or another service can help bypass any delivery issues. For Yahoo Mail users who are not receiving emails, signing out and back in, especially if you're using the mobile app, can sometimes resolve the issue. This ensures that the connection between the app and your account is refreshed. Finally, if you're still having trouble, it might be helpful to run a message trace if you have access to such tools through your email administrator. This can provide more detailed information about where the emails are getting stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue of emails not being received by Yahoo recipients.